You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buongiorno, we are looking at how to pronounce these names of Italian origin. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing names from Italy. Too many mispronounced. How do you say it? In Italian it's said as Giordano, Giordano, stress on the da syllable, Giordano. Now in English it's often said as Giordano. It'd be better to say it as Giordano, Giordano. From Italian, sorry, not Spanish, Italian, Giordano, Giordano. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.